You're gonna get your ear pierced.
Up here. Can you see it? Wonder if the...
Hey! Look! Caterpillar, Mama Luigi! I'm not your... Mario, wherever...
You probably will. Okay. So excited.
You want to keep the barbell in. 2 or 3 times a day you want to clean it. Cotton balls, Q-tips, either work. Front and back nice and wet. Make sure you're turning it around a little bit and pushing it back and forth just so you get some movement in there. And wash your hair, swimming, sports, anything like that. You want to clean your ear really well afterwards.
Should she soak it with salt? Like salt?
You want to use the cleaning stuff.
Okay.
Salt will actually dry the ear out because it's more delicate than like a belly button or a nose or anything.
Is that what you had to do?
So.
I had to soak my belly with salt water.
So what did you do? Fill it up? Or did you lay it down?
Well, I got like a glass and I put like water and salt in it and I just hold it to my belly. But I don't know. You ready? You got excited? Woo!
Alright, which side do you want on?
I had to see your face.
Sorry, just
Hold on.
get your mirror.
Wait, don't put it in front of your face.
Do you have a preference where you get it?
Like how high?
Yeah. No. I don't know. Here, let me...
Where do most people get it? Do they get them right up there, or do they go to the top?
Some people would go here, or I won't go any higher than about here. So I could go here. To go right in the middle there.
That looks good there.
Middle?
Yeah.
You gotta be happy with this.
What do you think of that spot? Yeah, that's good. Yeah? Alright.
You ready?
Does it look good?
It looks fantastic.
So what we'll do is we'll shoot in first, and then I just have to take this little plastic back. I have to take that off, and we'll put the ball on the back. Alright, I can take that for you. Do you want me to count or just do it? Just do it. Just do it.
I can't hurt any worse than the headache shot.
Yeah. It hurt. It didn't hurt that much.
That'll make the headache.
Yeah. Alright. You said count or no? No. No. Okay.
Hey, Alex, you ready?
I'm scared for her.
You can't put it.
I'm going to
Okay,
have you sit still.
Still don't fool around now.
Are you alive? Yeah. Okay. Good job. There usually hurts a tiny bit more. I thought I'd tell you after this because I didn't want to thicker, but.
Oh, I thought you were gonna be screaming.
All right. Here, I'm gonna put it in her. It's easier to get to it. Get the
Did it hurt? Are you crying?
She's done.
Yeah, you're done. Excitement.
Now I just have to get that plastic off. Tell me if I'm pulling on it or anything. Come on. There it goes. Alright, the tricky part. Just have to get the little ball on. Okay, you want to put your hand out? I'm going to have you hold on to it. I have to do it without my gloves. It's too tedious. Alright, I'll clean it after.
You're done.
Alright.